My brother's fault. It's his fault. He joined the robotics team as soon as he started high school, and I was a junior. And I was like, that sounds fun. I joined the robotics team, and I just fell in love with it. And I just went, hey, I can make a career out of this. And I decided to do that. So now we're here. I started actually as a mechanical engineer. I switched about halfway through when I realized that while I liked a lot of mechanical engineering, my brain didn't really work in 3D the same way. Like, I can think in drawings, but not 3D. And when I realized how much of electrical is schematics and is staring and understanding different images, I don't really work well in 3D, but 2D like this is great, this abstract thinking. It does not matter how long you spend in a classroom, it's still different from spending time in the workshop or at the desk or on the software, whatever the case may be. And so everyone, when they're new, is going to make mistakes, and everyone in the beginning is going to learn the learning curve of what's the theory versus what's the work. It never translates directly between the two. And internships is a great way of bridging that gap and getting to the point of you start building the necessary work experience and pairing that with your theory. Especially doing it at the same time and learning how they balance is such a great thing.